Okay then. Hello everyone. So today we are back for another session of live trading. So right now we just have the bell of pre-market close. So the 8 minutes after 9 that is done. Now trading will officially start at 9:15. So we are waiting for that. So yeah, let's see what is the initial look of the market. I have not set everything right now. I'm in the process of doing that. Let's see. So based on pre-market cap, Swiggy has gapped down. Okay, not Swiggy, sorry, Mahindra and Mahindra. Maybe not that also. So this is basically filtered based on change from open. So I'm not looking at the pre-market gappers, at least not right now anyway. Let's open Nifty here, see what's the situation there. Okay, this I do like. Okay, market is opening quite below. This is the point. Interesting. So I've been reflecting on my trades of last week. Frankly, there was just four trades, and out of them, only one was good. Rest were not so much, leading me into a kind of red week that I have not seen in some time. I mean, it's not like I've been green regularly, but I haven't had weeks that red like the last week. I have not overtraded. I have not really exceeded my uh, red limits on any of my individual trades, so they have kept the damage to minimum, but regardless, the damage was there. And I mean, this was one of the first months that I was hoping to go green at least before brokerage, but right now, even that has gone red. Oh yeah, I don't know, but still, regardless, March has been the month where I am the least amount in red, so I suppose that's progress. I'm still trying to find the like the best method. So for example, this is like the markets have been red. I mean, markets haven't been this red many times I've traded, so I kind of have to adjust based on that. Usually am I used to be a lot more patient, and my trading window was very different. I would never sit here at 9 o'clock and look for the third candle to understand the trade. That is not something I would do, but right now I am forced to do so because the trades that I usually take, especially in last few months, those trades simply don't seem to form. So I had to shift. And all this while I'm trying to get profitable, while I feel I'm very close to being profitable. Yeah. So it's a very conflicting scenario, but I suppose everybody says that markets are ever changing. So I do need to learn to quickly adapt as well. So that is why the last few trades, you guys might not see a whole lot of similarities because I'm trying out new things based on the situation of the market at the time. And there's our bell. So let's see how the market opens. Okay, interesting. Well, I love to short a red market. This really isn't doing favors for my mutual fund portfolio. It's not like I have a lot in mutual fund, at least not right now, but my brother has a lot. I mean, he constantly like puts in and takes out. But even then, interesting. Let's see how this list has changed. Okay, we have HL, we have KIOCL, and RailTel. Sorry. So basically, big volume shorting. That is the initial candle. Great. Okay, what? There are still two which are going green. KIOCL, Terrell. Okay, let's see what's happening with KIOCL. Obviously, I'm not gonna do anything right now. I just wanted to have a look. Okay, this was quite the bounce back. seems to be following the bounce of Nifty. Okay, what are the other candidates? EGIIL. Okay, this is interesting. It doesn't seems to be the following the bounce of Nifty, at least not completely. Then we have Federal Bank. Okay, interesting, very interesting. This one I'm not trading. I have lost money on this too much. Let's try on Terrell. Okay. Yeah, not happening. Not touching that one. Then we have Bsoft. Who comes up with these names, man? I don't know. I'm not really interested in this one either. For now, let's not go down the list any further. We already have two candidates, two good candidates, one really good candidate. Second candle might not be the best place to short these. Oh my god, that is bad. Now I'm definitely loving this guy. Okay, I do want to short this. Uh, can we have here? Okay, interesting. We had a pop. Okay, let's just wait a little bit. Okay, that is quite the move, but I don't see the volume. Either way, this is a good place to short. 263.55, 264. Nice. It would be great if we can get like a really good breakdown here. I mean, even if it just comes to this point, uh, it would be something. But frankly, it's going back up. Okay, let me see. I can close my stop further. No point having it that far. Frankly, if it goes back above the VWAP from this point, that is problematic as it is. But I really do think this just might work. I just need a big seller volume here. Yeah. Oh man. Have you guys seen Bookmap? Uh, from the ads that I have seen, Bookmap does seems like a very interesting thing. Sometimes I do think like would Bookmap help me in scenarios like this? So like there are two things you really think about in trades like this. One is how long do you stay? When does it feels like the trade might reverse on you and you know you just want to get out early? Uh, if you like make a habit of getting out early, then you won't be able to maximize on the trades. Ah man, I'm out. I mean, not just out, but it seems like I'm gonna be out. Yeah, I'm out. That was a red trade. I don't have any setup on any others. That was the only setup I could think of. Should I short this again? I usually don't short the same stock. Well, obviously there is a problem of visualizing the data. It will show me the average position, so that is a real problem. For example, I had about 10 ticks. There was a time where I would have covered that. But frankly, I was expecting more. I mean, I know this is going up, but this was a resistive stock. Uh, yeah, guys, I don't think I'm gonna take another trade at this point, because it doesn't seem like another trade is for me, based on the type of trades that I do take. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. Okay. Have a good day, everyone. Bye. And I'll see you guys